Got another mix for y'all. This is hog mix number 12, 13, 14, somewhere in there. Well, this is pretty simple. It's candy corn. That's what we got. See, since I guess it's Halloween, they got this candy corn syrup. So it's either the deer and hogs. They're probably gonna hate us for putting this out there, but it's got glitter in it. So when we're walking around and we see poop that's shiny, we know they ate the candy corn. Ta-da! Or if they got glitter on their lips with their little bling bling going on. But yep, that's it. Candy corn. We're gonna put it in the bucket. Actually, I bought a couple of those. You can get them at Walmart. Not sure if it's gonna work well or not, but if it does, that's why I went ahead and bought a few. Smells. Yeah, tastes like candy corn. So we're gonna mix a little in with their corn. We're gonna find a stick that's not a snake. We're gonna give it a stir. Yeah, definitely smells like candy corn. They're either gonna love it or they're absolutely gonna hate us for it. So we got the camera right here. I'm gonna trail it up right in front of the camera. See what we got coming in. Alright, there we go with the, gotta put the batteries in the camera, with the candy corn hog mix. See how it does. Well, that was the line of candy corn. As you can see, they have definitely hit it pretty hard. So hopefully we got pictures on the camera. If not, there's some proof right there.